Adjusting the tire pressure on your machine is easy to do. Precautions regarding personal protection should be followed as described in your operator's manual. To complete this task, you will need an air compressor and tire pressure gauge. The BX2380 tractors are designed to operate on a variety of surfaces. In order to maintain proper traction and load rating, correct inflation is crucial. Pressure should be checked daily and inflated as necessary because tire pressures naturally drop slowly over the course of time. You should consult your operator's manual to determine proper tire operating pressure. Here's a chart from the operator's manual pertaining to the BX2380 and BX2680. The first step after you've determined the correct pressure is to check the actual pressure using an accurate pressure gauge. Digital gauges have the highest accuracy. If the pressure is low, use a compressor and a tire inflator to add air. If it's too high, use the inflator with the air hose disconnected to reduce the air pressure. Thanks for watching. Kubota. Together we do more.